Terry with Mil-SPEC MTG, bringing you another Duskmourn Collector box unboxing, number 4 of 6 for the mini case. And we are just going to be using TCG Player Market price. Anything $2 or more in value is all we are looking for. So let's get cracking into this already. We paid $210 from Stomping Grounds. We are still looking for a fractured foil or a textured foil. So let's get into this. And guys, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And if we can hit 250 subs before I go to MagicCon Las Vegas, October 24th, I am giving one comment winner the Secret Layer Little Legends from the Mystery Booster 2 Festival in a box. Alright, here we go, you guys. Box number 4. Can we get something spicy? Kona. I think that's still a couple bucks. Good card. Suspended Sentence. Unstoppable Slasher. You know what? I think this card's going to go up in price. I really like this card. Been playing on MTGA. And whoo, it is good. Enduring Vitality. And there we go. Overlord of Boil Bilges already. I think we already hit one, and it was in the Japanese showcase and the Japanese wording too. So that was a nice one. So that's already a good hit. Hopefully there's more than one hit in this box. So far all we've gotten is really one big hit like this in each box. So hopefully that wasn't it. Hits in this pile. And the rares. Wow, starting off really good in the first pack. Let's not kill it right now. Come on, let's get something else spicy. Don't just be a one-hit wonder. Swamp. Toby. Ursine Monstrosity. Marvin, there's a couple. That's a couple bucks. Central Elevator. Kona. There we go. In foil. I think we got one of those in our first box. That's a nice hit, though. Good hit. Sorry, Toby, you're not a good hit. At least not value-wise. Alright, pack 3. Can we get a textless or texture foil? Can we get a fractured foil? How bad is my luck? Unidentified hovership. Redress Fate. Return all artifacts and enchantment cards from your graveyard to the battlefield. Miracle. I think this might be nice. Demonic Council, that's a good hit. Kato, there we go. That's a good hit. And Flood Farm Verge, yes please. Oh, that's sick. That's a good hit. I'll take all the lands. Demonic Council, still a good hit. Redress Fate, I'm not sure. Alright. Island. Enduring Curiosity. I like the whole Enduring set. Zamone. Peer Past the Veil. Terrible rare. Leyline of Transformation. Head Shredder. Thinking the foil's still a couple bucks. Actually, it might be under a couple bucks now. But we'll still put it here because the last time I looked it was still a couple bucks. So wow. Well, besides the very first pack having the Overlord in it, and that Japanese showcase foil. Still looking for some bangers. Cursed Recording. Into the Pit. Zimone. Gloomlake Verge, there we go. And a Grievous Wound. These are going to be worth some money. At least a couple bucks. Until they get reprinted in a set, right? Everything's worth something until they get reprinted. Alright, this makes halfway right here through the box. 2 lands. 1 Japanese showcase foil. Balustrade Worm. Renma. Chainsaw. Enduring Curiosity. And Toby. Not a good box, guys. Needs a pickup. Head Shredder. Deluge of Doom. Twitching Doll. Unholy. And Silent Hall Creeper. I think in the borderless foil, this actually might be a couple bucks. Well, if you haven't seen most of my collector box unboxings, usually I get taken to Pound Town. Because I'm your average guy spending my hard money so you don't have to. Because as you can see, it is way better to buy singles. But I do this for you and the community. Leyline of Residence. Volgavoth, there's a good hit. Split Up. Undead Sprinter. And Vendrill's Grimoire. Eesh. This is gonna be a tough box, huh? Basically, the only thing that's gonna save us now is if we get a textured foil or a fractured foil, honestly. Entity Tracker. Barb Flare Gremlin. Volgavoth Lair. Winter Guide. And Leyline of Residence. Three packs to go. Flood Farm Verge, there we go. Fear of Sleep Paralysis. Leyline of the Void. Charred Foyer, that's a good one. And the Roller Crusher Ride. I feel like we are on a roller coaster and getting crushed at the bottom. That's for sure. Two packs to go. Enduring Innocence. Giggling Skitterspike. That's a good one. Vogavoss Onslaught. The Mind Skinner. And Central Elevator. Last pack, you guys. Ooh, do I see something spicy in the back there? Is there something for our last pack magic here? I hope that was something spicy I saw back there. It looked shiny. There's an Overlord of the Hauntwoods. There we go. There's my first one. Yes. I think we got something shiny here, you guys. Sadistic Shell Game. Dissection Tools. Flood Farm Verge. I'm telling you, I thought this was something shiny here. Oh, dang it. It fooled me. Vogavoss Slayer. Still a nice hit, but not what we were looking for. But hey, we got our first Overlord of the Hauntwoods. That's a good one. Good hit. Alright, well, what do we get for Mythics? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 8 only. Wow. Most of the boxes I've seen getting open have had like 13 Mythics. And most of my boxes I've been opening have had 9 or less. So it has not been good. But this is box 4. We got 2 more to go, you guys. This is Terry with Mil-SPEC MTG. Signing out. Peace.